Good morning everyone. My name is Avnish Patil. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Today I am going to speak a few words about Teachers' Day. Dear friends, we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September in every year. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a great teacher and President of India. Teachers are our second parents. They guide us, teach us, and help us to become a good human beings. A teacher gives us knowledge, values, and inspiration to achieve our dreams. On this special day, I want to say a big thank you to all my teachers. You are the real heroes of our life. Happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers.
या माझ्या ज्युनियरच्या टीचर यांचा स्वभाव खूप शांत आहे. या माझ्या सिनियरच्या टीचर हे खूप प्रेमळ आहेत. या माझ्या पहिलेच्या टीचर या सुद्धा प्रेमळ आहेत. या स्ट्रिक्ट आणि प्रेमळ आहेत. हे सर मला गाणं शिकवतात आणि हे सर सुद्धा मला गाणं शिकवतात.
Happy Teachers' Day, my lovely teachers.